Q27, we are now into some rational functions that we've done quite a bit with. So we're supposed to graph all the vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the rational function. Now these are just the asymptotes that they're asking for. They're not asking us to graph the function itself. So just the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. Remember, the vertical asymptotes, they come from when the denominator becomes 0, because that's gives us an undefined value. So we'll start with the vertical. That's going to be when negative 4x minus 6, so we're just taking that bottom part, the denominator, set it equal to 0. Now since this is not quadratic, it's linear, we can just get x by itself by adding 6 to both sides. So negative 4x equals 6, and then we divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So that gives us that x equals negative 6/4, which reduces, if you want, you might as well 3 halves, right? 2 goes into both of these. So there's one, and then what you do is you say, okay, let me take this, let's see if we can, so that's a vertical asymptote. Let's see if it'll let us, we got the tool. No, oh, okay, it does negative 1, it does let us go to the halfway. So negative 3 halves is the same as negative 1 1/2. Okay, see, go here. Now let's look for the horizontal, any horizontal asymptote. So horizontal asymptotes, there's 3 versions, and so I'm just going to cover them all. If the bottom, what do we call that, or degree, if the degree of the polynomial on the bottom, so say we had x squared, something x squared here and then an x, the degree in the bottom is larger than the top, which this is a 2 and this is a 1. If those are the largest, right, whatever they are, then the vertical asymptote would be y equals 0. The other thing is if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so if we had x squared over x to the first, then there is no horizontal asymptote. This goes off, it goes off to infinity, right? So this gives us none. So we wouldn't have to put anything. But when the degrees are the same as in this case, so this is x to the 1, x to the 1, the degrees are the same. It's the ratio of the coefficients in front. So it's going to be y equals negative 6 over negative 4, which is positive 3 halves. Again, 1 1/2. And that's y equals, that's a horizontal. So let's go ahead and put that one in. Let's see. Yeah, so here it is, 1 1/2. So we're up there. So those are our two, the vertical asymptote, the horizontal asymptote, and that's all we need to put in. We don't actually graph this thing.